That's a nice little pump in my arm though. You can see that. Ah, fuck. It's been a minute, y'all. It is. It's been a fat minute. But today, Monday, I don't think I saw y'all all last week, so quick little explanation. Last week didn't really work out because moving situationship, homework, signing papers, going to look at the house, getting an inspection done, all that big boy stuff for niggas that are moving into cribs and shit. And then trying to cancel my lease without having to pay the deposit. It's a whole bunch of bullshit. And then doctor's appointments. I'm pretty sure I caught y'all up on one appointment, but just know I'm getting fucked and getting shot up. I'm getting MRIs done here and there, and that's all y'all need to know. But today is, I believe, shoulders. So I might do shoulders and arms or shoulders and chest. I don't really know what's available. I don't think I've been in this gym at this time before. It's 9 a.m. So depending on what's open, I know definitely I'm gonna hit shoulders for sure. But it might be shoulders and arms, shoulders and chest. Who fucking knows, shoulders and traps. I know yesterday, I'm not supposed to work out on the weekends, but I threw a little dumbbell here and there throughout the day while I was doing my work. But yeah, so today, shoulders. Don't really know how it's gonna plan out, but let's get straight into it. They going for it. All right, so today, first fucking workout, obviously, lateral raises. I might just make this a full upper body workout or upper body day. Throw some push. I don't know, we'll see. I just need a pump. I got a lot of mixed emotions going on inside right now. I'm gonna break my shoulders today. I don't think I need to go this heavy for my shoulders anyway. I think I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna go 20s. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go down. All right, so I'm probably gonna do one more of these and then I'm gonna hit some chest. And then we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna do arms, and then rinse and repeat. Fuck. All right, next song. I don't fuck with that. Ooh, my name is Kodak, but you know that already. All right, after this, I'm gonna do a little fuck. All right, I haven't done this much fucking weight in a while, but we gonna see how this goes. Wish me luck. Hey, you gonna keep up, Robert? I now that I have a Chevy. All right, we gonna play some splurge for the first press motion. Any more weight. You not switch on us. You know we get stitched to us. How y'all day going? I feel like I've been wearing black every day I come to the gym now. Like a black shirt at least. I need some more black shirts before y'all start getting on my ass. But so far, ain't really nothing to update y'all. I still haven't gotten results from my MRIs. Still don't know if the fucking steroid they shot me up with works. I ain't really work out last week because of that too. So I could like take it easy, let the shit actually heal. So yeah, it's a whole bunch of reasons I ain't really work out all week. But don't worry, I was active enough. Fuck, all right, let's get back into it. Stop being a bitch. I would want to listen to some Young Nudie. Hold on. Young Nudie. No, I wanted to listen to like Green Bean or something. There we go. All right, now we gotta do some back. Wish me luck. All right, come on. I don't know what this workout is called, but I know it hits my back. I'm mostly lat focused, so we're gonna see. Shit, Graham, about that. You know I'm always trying to drop some. All right, we got at least 10 on my left side. I already know my right side is stronger, so we're gonna see. Hopefully we make it. If not, we'll figure something out. But we have done shoulders so far, did a little bit of buys, hit a little bit of like whatever this is called, the front shoulders. And then that's really it. I ain't really hit no chest yet because the shoulder press didn't really hit any chest at all. So I'm gonna hit back and then try to go back to chest eventually. We're gonna see. I probably could go heavier. I feel like that's a really good back workout. I don't know why I don't do it on my regular back days. Fuck. A lot of shit. Line me here. Nigga could tell. Yeah. Niggas could tell. I shoot a nigga if he tell. I look skinny as fuck. I look skinny as fuck right now. I feel like my face is finally getting lean. Oh, God. Niggas could tell. I think I'm gonna go up for my back at least. I think I'm gonna switch the chair out for my chest so I can lay down more. Or at least be in a 45-degree angle. Nice time to curl. Actually, I need to do some fucking triceps too. I shoot a nigga if he tell. I did a little something. All right. I think I'm gonna do back and then I'm gonna switch to his chest over there. Fuck. I'm not going for nothing. Bitch, you better not test me. Hey. Oh shit. Here the 80s go. Oh fuck. Stretch. Yeah. Yeah. I can't even fucking talk. I'm sorry, bro. Well, I have to wash my face today. All right, left side, come on. The weak side, gotta get to work too. Oh my God. I know y'all ain't seen me sweat like this in a minute. Now I'm having too much money, bitch. All right, time to finally hit chest. I don't know what weight to start with though. Ah, fuck. I'm gonna do at least 50. I'm gonna go to 55, fuck it. Who ready for this shit? Not me. Not me. Come on, stop being a bitch. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm taking a break. At least 3-minute break. Fuck. My ears is dripping. That's how much sweat I got going on my body right now. My ears is dripping. That's been a while. I feel like a track day or something. I ain't gonna lie. Those last few reps killed my chest. Oh, take a break, take a break, take a break, take a break. We gotta go back to, what the fuck these are called? I can't think right now. We gotta do that. Do some more biceps. I think I'm gonna do one more chest, which is this set, then I'm done. As far as chest at least. I'm gonna do this chest, rack everything, go do some bis and tries, and then kick rocks. Life, 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 life. All right, last chest. Let me see if I can go down one. Yep, I can. Oh, fuck. Probably gonna die here. I doubt that's 3 minutes of a break, but I think I feel good enough. Gonna get down quick. You don't really shoot this shit. Oh my God. Yep. Dunzo. Gotta get down quick. All right, I'm gonna try to do my triceps and bicep real quick, and then I'll leave it. Oh my God. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I'm shot. Pause my music. All right, y'all. Upper body day done. I don't know why I did this today. I just felt like, fuck it. What's the worst that could happen? Today we hit chest, back, shoulders, tries, bi, and life. It feels like I just did a ruck march or like a company run, like a company 5-mile run is how I feel. That's a nice little pump in my arm though. You can see that. Yeah, it's a nice little pump. I like this shit. I feel like my face really looks skinnier though. Maybe I'm just tripping. But hey, it is what it is. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Road to 1K. Stay positive, stay motivated. Today's rating is a solid, I want to say 10 out of 10 because I'm really tired. But nothing's ever perfect. Probably could have did extra rep here and there. So I'm gonna say a 9.5 out of 10. Appreciate the support from everybody. More content to come. I'm tired as fuck. Just wait till I move. And we're gonna be back into business, man. Without further ado, stay positive, stay motivated. C'est la vie. Let me get some posing flicks for my mans.